cover from Missouri to Interstate 80 and 7 full counties and parts of 7 other ones. We got 11,600 customers. We take water from here in Creston, clear an hour and a half away. I think we've been with Maguire for tower maintenance for, I think, around 10 years now, 7 to 10 years. It's just been phenomenal, the service that we've received and how much better our towers look. You know, we didn't do nothing before, but now that we're going through it, everybody comments on our towers and how nice they look. And, well, we built a brand new water treatment plant, so we had to have elevated storage that could feed out to our other pump stations and our other towers, which we have 41 of now. You know, if you don't have storage, elevated storage, you ain't got no pressure. And we got a lot of dollars invested in these towers. You got to maintain them. The new water tower, they think it looks beautiful. We use the new hydroflon on it, paint, and yeah, everybody just raves about, well, it's almost too shiny. If you're driving down the road, sometimes you can't read SIRWA because it just depends on where the sun's at. When the guys are really working on the towers, doing washout, painting, whatever, Tyson, Nate, somebody's reaching out to us once a week, just making sure everything's going good. Couldn't ask for better service from them boys. It just feels like a family atmosphere. I mean, the way Maguire works with their customers, or works with us anyway, we don't have to worry about it. They just take care of it 100% on the scheduling and stuff. You know, they contact us. If we got something else going on in our system, we'll shuffle tank painting, maintenance, whatever around it. Yeah, it's just worked great. I highly recommend Maguire for, you know, construction or maintenance, either one. We just absolutely love them.